Welcome back to Bone Smoke Sizzle. Today we're gonna make a Yorkshire sausage, which is an English sausage and traditionally made with pork meat, rusk, herbs and spices and some ice water. To make the Yorkshire sausage, what we need is 780 grams of pork shoulder. As you can see, I already cut mine here. It's fairly lean, has about 10-15% fat on it. You can go up to 20% fat. Also, what we need is 16 grams of table salt per kilo, 1 gram of ground white pepper, a half gram of ground mace, a half gram of ground nutmeg, a half gram of wrapped parsley, and 0.25 grams of cayenne pepper. And we need 70 grams of rusk per kilo. The rusk I will soak with the 150 ml of ice water. So let's put in the water, let them soak. We'll absorb all the water. That takes a few minutes. And then we add it to the sausages, or to the sausage mix. The other thing what we need is pork casing. I'm using 28 to 30 ml and I have already soaked them for the last 30 minutes. For the grinding we need a 5 ml plate. I will now grind the meat through the 5 ml plate. So that's done. Now we need to add the herbs and spices, so the salt, the wrapped parsley, nutmeg, so white pepper, and the cayenne. The other thing what we need to add now as well is the rusk that has soaked now for 5 minutes. It's nice and soft. All the water has been absorbed. And we need to mix this now. Let's give it a good mix. You have to make sure that all the herbs and the spices and the rusk are well mixed. And we need to mix it till it becomes very sticky. It will take some time. So, she's now ready. And again, you can see she is nice, firm and holds. So she's good and sticky. That's what we want. I will put this now in the filler and start filling sausages. Make sure when you put that sausage mix into the filler that you push it down so you don't get any air in there. Or at least try to prevent as much as possible. You can't prevent all of it. Oh, that's ready. Let's start filling. All right, so let's start filling. I have here the casings, which are 28 to 30 mil. They're already soaking for a good half hour now. I'm gonna put some water in there now. Then I pull them up. So, see, fairly easy getting on. That is one casing what I have here, which is a little bit too much, but that's fine. Make a knot in it. So, let's fill it. That's it. That's done. What is left I cut off, I leave a little bit on it. Let's start twisting it. When you twist them, this one here should be around 10 centimeters. If I want to make it 11, 12, it doesn't really matter. So I showed you a few times anyway. They're nice and firm. Goes fairly quick. See there, I can't get another one out. So I'll twist it off here, wrap it around the last sausage and make a lot in here. That's it. They're done now. That is what the Yorkshire sausage looks like. It's a very good sausage. Perfect for frying or grilling. I hope you enjoyed that video, that episode about the Yorkshire sausage, which is a traditional English sausage made with rusk. And it's, as you can see, it's very simple to make. So give it a go, try it out, and let me know how you got on with it. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, give me some feedback, and let me know how you get on with it. Till then, bye bye.